What's up, girls? Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for this video. Sorry that I sound a little rusty. It's been a long weekend. Your girl's been working, but I'm here. We here. So for the month of February, I decided to promote a lot of Black-owned businesses. I asked you guys to let me know a few of your favorite companies, and one of the companies that you guys mentioned to me was Juvia's Place. I know I'm a little late to the party, don't judge me, but you know, usually I wouldn't be wearing like really vivid eyeshadows, and I don't own a lot of palettes that are super colorful. I have the Masquerade by Juvia's. I didn't know exactly what to do with this palette, but I'm jumping on the I tried bandwagon. So that's why I have this blonde wig on, and she is sleeked and behind the ear because I will be trying a Nikkie Tutorials look, and this is exactly how her hair was for the most part, minus these roots. So I just wanted to get it as close as possible, but let me stop talking and get into it. So the title of this video is the world's most pigmented eyeshadow palette. I'm just saying, that's what she said. And okay,
that was the slowest wave clap ever. Hey guys, so today I'm doing a little playtime sort of tutorial, first impression slash review on the new Magic palette by Juvia's Place. The first color I'll be going in with is Nana. I'm picking this color up on a Ray Morris number 9 brush and defining my crease with this. And we're gonna go from inner to outer corner. And once you reach that outer corner, you also want to swoop it out.
Swoop it out. Okay, let's pause. Okay, so she said we use an ooh nana, all right? I feel like it's a mix between these two shades. I don't like using shimmer as like a transition shade, so I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. It is disgusting, and I'm gonna use the shade Real Gar because that looks pretty close, and then I'll just build it up. I don't have the brush that she said we should be using, but I'm gonna use this MAC 221 brush because it look close. She starts here. Oh God, this is definitely not the same shade. She says swoop it out. Swoop it out. I would have used concealer on my lid, but I'm just trying to follow exactly the way that she said to do it. Nikkie has hooded eyes, but her eyeshadow looks are always popping. Like I don't understand. Like I love her work. She's so good. We looking swoopy. Okay, this is bold. All right, let's see what she said to do next.
And now time for my favorite blending technique, taking a clean brush and just wiggling at the edges to make it nice and
clean
smooth.
Brush and wiggling at the edges. So my camera don't like to be zoomed in. She don't like it. This looks so much more vibrant on her.
Like going back in with Nana and re-intensifying the colors in the...
All right, I'm gonna go back in with Ada, which is like a brick orange, because I feel like hers looks more brick orangey, and this doesn't, so.
Now with MAC Select Cover Up Concealer in NW15, I'm gonna be cutting the...
All right, I'm not gonna cut my crease yet. I still feel like I need a little bit more dimension. I'm gonna go in with Fulani, which is this chocolate brown here. Do y'all see brown? Because I don't see it. I don't know. So I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills and using Cypress Umber. There we go. She's using MAC to cut the crease. Where's the brush?
Now setting that with one of my favorite colors of the palette, Oh Sun.
Oh wait, Nikkie, wait. Damn, that's not creamy at all. This is not looking like hers. I don't know. She kind of like swoops it out. Oh no. This don't look too nice. Oh God. Yeah, no, this don't look like Nikkie's. Well, guess I just gotta keep going. Oh my God. This is so hard. It's like so funny, like you do things your way, so then when you try to do it somebody else's way, I feel like you just mentally psych yourself out. Do I look the same? No. I don't know what kind of Egyptian mess I'm going for, but honey, Cleopatra would be ashamed. Can't get that flick of the wrist over here. What are you doing? All right, so she's saying to set it with this like pinky, looks like pink shimmer.
Now with an angled eyeliner brush, these are way...
All right, wait, Nikkie, wait. It's like a pinky orange shimmer. See, this is why I don't understand how she could do her foundation before, because I need to clean up. And I'm gonna snatch my damn foundation right off.
315, I'm going in with
taking an
Nana
angled
again
brush
and really crispening up that...
And crispening up. I don't have an angled brush. But I do have this Bobbi Brown brush. She's going back in with Nana. I'm tired. I need a drink. Definitely not the right color. This is why you're Nikkie tutorials, and this is why I do weaves. Like, this is a lot precision.
Razor sharp liner in Gold Rush, and going right over top with another favorite color of the palette, Nubia.
So she's using a gold liner, and then she's putting powder on top. Okay. And this is really hard to do with these lashes on right now. I think that is like part of the problem. These eyes are sisters. I'm gonna say they're related, but they're not. They are twice removed. It's just coming off as yellow on me, but it's cool. All right, I gotta take a break. I need to go take a shot of vodka.
Leaving a little gap open on the inner corner to open up my eyes even more. I'm sorry, but this pigment is so rude. It is so disrespectful.
Rude and disrespectful on me. I'm feeling like I want to give up right now. But my mother told me to never be a quitter. Put it on the bottom. So now she's using another liner in white.
Doesn't crack, so thank you. And putting this on that little gap,
in the corner.
and once you...
If I mess this up, I'm in trouble. I think that's the only thing that worked. But it looked crazy. I got these lashes that I snatched off yesterday. I'm gonna pop on some lashes. I'm hoping this will darken up the lash line because I'm not used to it being this light. This is very different for me. I don't know why I chose this look of all looks.
For blush, I'm gonna go in with a teensy bit of X-rated blush by Kylie Cosmetics.
Blush. I'm gonna use the hibiscus bloom to these cheeks. It looks like close to the color she had.
For highlight today, I'm gonna go in with this BH Spotlight highlight palette.
Okay.
This is so good. This is affordable, blinding, and everything.
Blinding.
And today I'll be using these two colors
that's too
right
light,
here.
baby. I can't use that, but I'm gonna use something close. I'm gonna go into that same palette and I'm gonna use my Beach Nectar.
I don't know if it's because of this brush, but ever since I've been using this brush for a highlighter, everything has been so intense and so good. So I don't know if it's the brush. Well, the product is amazing, but like because of the brush, it goes on so smoothly.
I'll try it, boo.
So
I'll try it, sis.
reflectively. I mean, you can do your makeup in the reflection of my cheek.
Oh!
For lips today, I want to go in with this new Maybelline product. This is a liquid lipstick that stays on like nobody's business. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this is in the color 05 Loyalist. I saw this on Karen's channel, I Love Sarai, and the swatches did not lie. Like, she could barely remove these from her lips and her arms, and that's when I know I will really like something.
I'm gonna use Cork because, you know, Nikki, I gotta line my lips because I already got the blonde hair. These eyes, I gotta bring it down a little. I know I'm supposed to follow it to the T, but I'm gonna use Cork. Okay, so I'm gonna mix MAC Sushi Kiss and Vivid Glam 2 because it looks like a taupey, peachy color, so, you know, that looks really good actually. I'm gonna add the sushi. Oh, let me not break this. Wow, I haven't used a MAC lipstick in decades.
And that, guys, concludes this quick little playtime using the new Juvia's Place palette, the Magic Palette. I love you so much. I absolutely adore this baby right here, and I think the possibilities with this one are endless. You got your warm tone colors, you got your cool tone colors. This color right here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching again. I love you so much, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.
All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I think it's pretty close. I definitely feel like this is a fun look. Just not too wearable for me. I think it's definitely like really bold, and Nikkie is known for really bold, vibrant looks. I just think for me, this is like photo shoot makeup. Like, you know, like I don't know where I would go. I think I could have went a little lower with the crease because I think it's just too much pink. And I don't think that the orange is really showing up well on my skin. I mean, I don't think it looks bad. It just doesn't look like hers. But it also isn't the same palette either. So as for the lipstick, you know, I need a little bit of liner. I think this is a little different. What do you guys think? I think I failed. But this was fun, definitely gave me anxiety, made me feel like I need to step up my skills. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you guys have any other looks you want me to try just for fun, I'm down. Let me know in the comments below. This was really hard, so if you guys try this, just know that just carve out some time, be patient, make sure you have a lot of the products because it's really hard trying to recreate things if you don't have the products. But I don't know who I'm looking at right now, but it's cool. You know, it's the chocolate Nikkie. Hey Nikkie, hey Nikkie. Asthma, because that's what I feel like I have right now. Can't breathe. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I love you girls and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.